Welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle. Today we make a French sausage. It's called Saucisse de Choux. Now, forgive me if I pronounce this wrongly. I'm no French person, but it's a great sausage. To make this sausage, what we need is 600 grams of pork trimmings, which you can see here on the left hand side. This is about 80-20. And we also need 100 grams of back fat, which you can see here on the right hand side. From the herbs and spices, we need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2.5 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 2 grams of rubbed marjoram per kilo. We need 5 grams of crystal sugar per kilo. We need 50 grams of coarse chopped onion per kilo. We also need 300 grams of steamed cabbage per kilo. Now this one here, I literally just steamed it until it become glazy, so you don't want to boil them in hot water. So simply just steam them. For the casings we use 30 to 32 mil, but you also can use 32 to 34 mil casings. So these are the ingredients we need from this sausage. So the next thing we need is a coarse grinding blade, so like a 16, 18 or 20 mil, and we also need a 6 mil grinding blade. I have set up my grinder now with the 20 mil blade, and the meat and the back fat gets ground through this blade first. So let's grind this first through the coarse blade. That goes fairly quickly. So all the fat and pork through this blade first. That's it. The only thing what I have to say is a safety as well is make sure the machine is switched off completely, because your fingers will fit through this blade. So the next thing is now we mix in all the ingredients into that meat. So let's get all the ingredients in there. So the salt, the sugar, the marjoram and the pepper, and of course the onions and the cabbage. Give this a quick mix. You just want that everything is roughly mixed and you have picked up all the herbs and everything with the meat. So that's it, that will do. And now we mince this through the 6 mil blade. I have now switched over to the 6 mil blade and will start grinding that mix. Let's start. So all the cabbage and the onions, everything gets the same size. We are nearly done here. That's it. Now let's mix it so it becomes nice and sticky. Let's give this a good mix. Because of the cabbage, this sausage mix is very wet. Even the cabbage has drained. And that mixing takes a little bit longer now. So slowly it's getting there. It's like a workout in the gym. So that's it. So she gets as much binding as she can get. So let's have a look what she looks like. As you can see the cabbage in there and the meat and the pork fat. So it's a good looking sausage once it's filled, and also a tasty one. Let's get this mix in the filler. Get everything out from here. So, then make sure you push it down. So, and now let's start filling those sausages. Let's get the casing ready. Find the end. Put in 2 fingers. Put a bit of water in there. And pull it up. And while you pull it up, pull out the water as well. The casing should go on fairly easy. So, let's start filling. Don't forget to put a knot in there on the end. Okay, bit of water on top of it. And fill this one semi-firm. Oh, we got some air in there. Back of the knife. Here we go, it's coming out. Let's fill. There's more air. Should be nearly done. That's it. Cut and make a knot in it. Take the leftover off. Let's start twisting them. When you twist them, you want those ones here about anywhere between 12 and 15 centimeters. They're nice, thick, firm sausages. I'm twisting about 12 centimeters. So I showed you many times. Hold them, measure them the size you want, gently press, and then twist them, turn them. Yeah, so like this. All right. And turn. Measure it, twist, hold, and turn your sausages. Then we got a leftover, we make it about equal size, and we just turn this one here as well. That's it. Let's have a look what the sausages look like. As you can see, they are very good looking sausages. They are nice coarse cut. And you also can see the cabbage in there. Of course, those ones, they need to rest now at least for 24 hours so they can settle. As you can see, the Saucisse de Choux is not that hard to make. It's a very easy to make sausages. Of course, you got steps between, which means you have to steam the cabbage, because that needs to be soft before you start. I hope you enjoyed that video about the sausage. If you did, like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tell others about it. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun making sausages and enjoy them. Till the next time, bye bye.